going to be a challenge for UMBC against the #1 defense in all of college basketball.
Hesitation and a fake. Three-point shot. Yes, UMBC. Sherburne driving and drawing the foul in the basket.
What a mistake.
It's a 6-point lead. Sherburne, he'll load it up. He'll put it up. And he'll hit it again.
They got an open.
And the greatest upset in the history of this tournament is going to happen. Sit back and watch history, folks.
Exclamation.
The NCAA tournament has been turned upside down. Shock and awe in college basketball. UMBC makes history in Charlotte.
This, by far, is the greatest upset, I believe, in NCAA tournament history. You must be Cinderella.
Anyone who follows college basketball will never, ever forget.
We just believed in each other, man. That's what we came with, the mindset of believing in each other and competing, and that's what we did. We got the W.